So you've seen the Stanley. See, this is from 1990. This was made in the United States of America in Nashville, Tennessee. Now you see right there, it was made in 90. That's its model. And look what they did. They show you what kind of cup you need to buy. Number 100 cup. Number RH94 handle. Right? And a number 13B stopper. So they've got everything you need to keep this thing going. And that's what I did. I looked at that model, and they say, is this thing before 2002? Yeah, we can see right there is the date stamp 90. So then I got this stopper. I just went on Amazon and I got this brand new stopper because this stuff was, I found this thing and it didn't have anything with it. So I ordered the stopper, and I ordered the metal cap. That's coming from eBay. That's a used one. I just didn't want to buy anything from China anymore. I thought, I'm going to start I'm going to go with American. I'm going to salvage this. See, that's the type. I just looked that up. There's the date. And it tells you. Number 100 cup. Your handle is a RH94. And your stopper is a number 13B. And they tell you how to do it. Protocol by filling bottle with cold water before using cold liquids. And so it has all kinds of instructions on it. So what does it say here? After using, fill with boiling water, stand for 5 minutes. Store with bottle and stopper removed. That thing was made 32 years ago, and I cleaned it out. That thing is whistle clean down in there now. So start salvaging this stuff so we don't have to keep buying stuff from people that want to destroy our way of life.